Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's investment services. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Twoguysfinance's investment services, this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Twoguysfinance account. You can do that online, or you can do that through the mobile app. That's the Twoguysfinance mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to select the investment accounts that you want to manage, and then you're going to review your investment portfolio and balance from there. You can also use the Twoguysfinance's investment tools to research and select investments that suit you. You can also buy or sell investments using the Twoguysfinance online banking platform, or you could do so on the mobile app. And you always could just review and manage your investment transactions all right here. And you could also use Twoguysfinance's investment services to set financial goals as well as to track your progress in those financial goals. So yeah, lastly, you can also just contact Twoguysfinance investment specialist. You can do so on the platform, and they're going to help you with personalized advices. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance investment services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.